Hello guys and welcome to AI Basics. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to enable the dark mode on OpenAI, that is commonly known as chatgpt. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type chat.openai.com and hit on enter. Do sign up if you already have not and sign in right now. Well, as you can see, I have already signed in on my OpenAI account. In here, you can do many things like simply writing a prompt and generate anything. You can upgrade your plans. You can create a new chat and set. Now let's look at how to enable dark mode. At the bottom left, you will find your username. Simply click on it. And now there are multiple settings like customize ChatGPT, settings and logout. Simply go to settings. And now you will see something like theme right here. Well, there are other options here as well, but let's not focus on that. Simply let's focus on the theme. On the right of theme, there is a drop down button. Let's click on it and select dark. And there you have it. That's how you enable dark mode on ChatGPT. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.